cows and donkeys. We are making kimchi, peri kimchi to be exact. Here I have a Napa cabbage which weighs 650 grams. I'm gonna give it a rough chop. Then I'm gonna stick it in this colander and give it a quick wash just to get rid of any dirt that might be in it. So I've rinsed it and give it a nice dry, shaken it dry. Now it's gonna go into this bowl along with 2% sea salt, which in my case is 13 grams. Do the math. And now I'm gonna work the salt thoroughly through the cabbage, making sure it's well salted. Every single leaf is salted. Now I'm gonna leave this to the side to chill out and brine for at least 1 hour. Whilst the cabbage is brining, we're gonna make a peri paste, not sauce, paste. So into the blendernator with 4 cloves of garlic, 20 grams of ginger. I just left some skin on as well. 1 medium red onion, rough chop because it's gonna blend anyway. 6 bird's eye peri chilies. We want it quite spicy. Yeah, kimchi, bell pepper, just a rough chop and into the blendernator, along with peri chili powder, paprika, a teaspoon of each, teaspoon of oregano and 5 grams of sea salt, followed with 30 grams of brown sugar and 30 grams of white wine vinegar, and then blend into a smooth paste. Empty out into a clean bowl, and we're going to finish it off with the zest and juice of 1 lemon. For the carrot, I'm just going to take off the top and I'm going to cut it in half. Now, there's 2 ways you can go about this. You can either slice like this and have nice thin chunks like that, or you can make matchsticks like so. Yeah, beautiful little matchsticks. And then with the spring onions, obviously take the top off, or you can leave them if you want. And we're just gonna make little chunks like that. Make sure also the pipes the pipes are clean. Sometimes it starts water and I just washed it. As you can see, a lot of water has come out of the cabbage, which is great. Now I'm going to chuck all these vegetables in there as well. Onions and all of my peri paste. Get it all in there, along with my personal touch, whole coriander seeds. I love coriander seeds. When it pops in your mouth, it reminds me of Belltown. Oh my word, look at the color of this. It's so great, isn't it? Please follow this recipe exactly if you're going to make the peri kimchi, because there is fermentation involved. Once you've given your kimchi a proper mix, we're going to feed it into these mason jars with the lid clean, washed. And pour all these juices in there as well. Press the cabbage down slightly so it's submerged under the juices. Seal tight. And now it's going to join my little fermentation corner there next to my kombucha for 1 week outside at room temperature, and then for 2 weeks in the fridge. Yeah, I've actually just made a new batch of kombucha today as well. Tell me in the comments if you want to see me make. And it's Rooibos, which is naturally caffeine-free kombucha. Go and make this recipe now and follow the recipe exactly. And I will see you guys in my 3 weeks time. Love you. Bye! Peri kimchi, to be exact. Please don't. Why please don't? Please yes. No don't. You Spangler.
Your spirit is half naked. You hesitate, Spang.